Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share another recipe for Diwali which you guys can make it at your home very easily. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make save, that is in South India it's called podi and in North India it's called save. For this recipe what you need, here I'm adding 2 cup of besan into this big bowl. So here I added 2 cup of besan, and for 2 cup of besan we have to add 1 cup of rice flour, that is chawal ka atta. So here I am adding 1 cup of rice flour. So I added 1 cup of rice flour, and into this I am going to add some salt as per taste. So I am going to add some salt as per taste, how much salt you want in your save. These are all very easy recipe guys, which you guys can make it at your home for Diwali. And into this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this ajwain water guys. What I did, I soaked this ajwain in the water for 25 minutes. Then I grind it in the blender by adding water. So can you see how it looks? What I'm going to do, I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to add this ajwain water into this. Why we are adding this ajwain water? Because ajwain is very good for our digestion. So that's why we are adding the ajwain. So we have to press with our hand. So this is done guys. And if you want you can add some ajwain also. And so I added little bit of ajwain, and here I have some red chili powder. I'm going to add some red chili powder. How much spice you want in your podi? So I added 1 tablespoon of red chili powder into this, and I'm adding some hing powder. It gives a nice flavor in this dish. So in this I'm going to add some oil guys. So I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot oil. The oil should be really very hot. Then only we will get the crisp podi or say. If you want, you can add ghee also. That is up to your choice. So here I added 2 to 4 tablespoons of hot oil. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to make smooth dough by adding little bit of water. So here I am adding little bit of water. Don't add too much of water guys, because we already added the ajwain water. So don't add too much of water. So here I am adding 1/4 cup of water, and we have to make a smooth dough of this. So take a kadai, add some oil guys, and here is the mold for save. So can you see the small holes? What I'm going to do, take a small portion of dough, and I'm going to put this one in this here, and I'm going to do like this, and I will show you guys. So My oil is hot and here I am doing like this. So can you see? And we have to fry it until it becomes crisp. So can you see, guys? It should be looking like this. And I'm going to put this one in this tissue paper. So we have to fry until it becomes brown in color in both the sides. So my save is ready, guys, and I'm going to put this one in the South Indian mixture. So we are going to make South Indian mixture at home for Diwali, and you can have this one as a plain also. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make save or omo pudi at your home for Diwali. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Bye.